Desirable Riverview Home. Great location, no backyard neighbors and no CDD. You'll feel right at home as you enter this beautiful open floor plan with 4 bedrooms, 2.5/bath, and features 18-inch tile throughout the living areas. Welcoming kitchen features granite countertop, 42-inch cabinets stacked and staggered, complete with stainless steel appliances and a large island overlooking the great room. The high ceilings enhance the already spacious feel of this open concept home, and upgrades throughout including stainless steel appliances, new Bosch dishwasher, new upgraded disposal, tiled backsplash, upgraded HVAC lighting system, 20-foot deep garage, screened lanai and house alarm system. A powder bath is conveniently located off of the living area for guests. The spacious master retreat overlooks the backyard and includes double closets, a granite double vanity, tray ceilings and separate shower and garden tub. Upon entering the home, the front 2 bedrooms and second full bath are offset to the right, and the 4th bedroom is down a hallway to the left, creating a nice added privacy for those rooms. At the back of the home, a covered and screened lanai provides the perfect place to relax. No CDD and low HOA. Great location, just 20 minutes to downtown and close to I75 and Crosstown Expressway. Make an appointment today, this home will go fast.